Good evening students. Continuation of F block elements. Today we are going to study about lanthanide contraction. See this diagram. Here atomic number and ionic radius. Ionic radius of trivalent lanthanide ions. So before going to this discussion, so what is ionic radius? If you see this is the nucleus, and you have this like number of shells. The distance between these are the electrons, the distance between the nucleus and the electrons in the outermost shell of its ions is called ionic radius. In periodic table groups, from top to bottom, atomic radius increases. From top to bottom, atomic radius increases because number of orbits are increases or number of shells are increases. But coming to lanthanide series, here this is the lanthanum to lutetium. What we find here, we find that we move along the lanthanide series from lanthanum to lutetium. There is a continuous decrease in the size of lanthanide ion. Continuous decrease in the size of lanthanide ion. And increases the atomic number. If atomic number increases from lanthanum to lutetium, atomic number increases and the size decreases. So see here, we move along the lanthanide series from lanthanum to lutetium. There is a continuous decrease in the size of lanthanide ion with increase in atomic number. This decrease is known as lanthanide contraction. So lanthanide contraction may be defined as the small steady decrease in size of lanthanide ions with increase in atomic number. So this is the lanthanide contraction. And the atomic number increases and size of the lanthanide ion decreases. And what are the causes of the lanthanide contraction? See here, cause of lanthanide contraction. Cause of lanthanide contraction is generally attributed to imperfect shielding of one of 4 of electron by another in the same shell. Okay, I am going to first you have to understand what is the shielding effect. See here, this is the nucleus and electrons. Nucleus attract the electrons. The nucleus attract the electrons. The attractive force between the nucleus and electron. But inner electron repel the outer electrons. These inner electrons repel the outer electrons. So outer electrons are the feels two types of forces. First, attractive force by the nucleus, and second is repulsion by the inner electron. This inner electron shield the outer electrons. This is the like shield the outer electrons from the nucleus force, that like a shield, and it is called shielding effect. Shielding effect is very good by the S, next P, and weak shielding effect in D. So this is the shielding effect concept. The nucleus attracts the electrons, the attractive force between the nucleus and electron, but the inner electrons or repel the outer electrons. The outer electron feels two types of forces. First is the attractive forces by the nucleus, and second is repulsion by the inner electron. For example, if you have one person here, stand here, and others are the protected of this person. If you see this person is a very celebrity, and somebody is want to take a signature or autograph this. If this person is wanted to go this here, but this person is push away from this person, the security, like this it will happen here, same process. And here you all so you knew what is shielding. The cause of Lanthroid contraction is generally attributed to imperfect shielding of 4f electrons by another in the same shell. That is, mutual shielding effect of 4f electrons is very little, being even smaller than that of d electrons. Because of the shape of f orbitals is very much diffused, the nuclear charge increases by 1 unit at each step. Then there is no comparable increase in the mutual shielding effect of 4f electron. This causes a reduction in the size of 4f subshell. Consequently, the atomic and ionic size decreases as we move from lanthanum to lutetium. This is the cause of Lanthroid contraction. Thank you.